How to trick your brain into loving math. Think you and math just don't vibe? Well, buckle up, because we're about to flip the script and make math your new favorite sidekick. With the right strategies, you can train your brain to see math as fun, exciting, and even addictive. Yep, we said it. Here's how to fall in love with numbers, equations, and all that jazz, without the panic sweats. 1. Make math a part of real life. Math isn't just stuck in a textbook, it's everywhere. Cooking? That's fractions. Shopping? Hello, mental discounts. Budgeting? That's math in your wallet. Start spotting math in everyday moments and watch it become less scary and way more practical. 2. Turn math into a game. Why suffer through problem sets when you can play your way to math mastery? Try Sudoku, Math Bingo. Fun apps like Prodigy, Khan Academy, or Dragonbox. Gamifying math makes it feel more like a challenge to beat, not a chore to dread. 3. Flip the script with a growth mindset. Repeat after us. I'm not bad at math, I'm just not a math wizard yet. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and remember, progress leads to perfection. Every wrong answer is just a stepping stone toward that aha moment. 4. Personalize your math style. Learning math doesn't have to be one size fits all. Customize it. Visual learners? Use color-coded notes, graphs, and mind maps. Auditory learners? Try math podcasts or catchy explanation videos. Kinesthetic learners? Use physical tools, building blocks, or hands-on puzzles. 5. Don't go it alone. Make math social. Grab a friend, join a study group, or hop into a math club. Solving problems together equals sharing ideas, having laughs, and learning more. Bonus: it makes math feel like a team sport instead of a solo quest. 6. Get techie with it. There's a whole world of tech tools that make math engaging. Use apps, games, and simulations to explore math in interactive, low-pressure ways. You're not just solving numbers, you're exploring math worlds. 7. Celebrate your wins. Finished a tough worksheet? Solved that one problem that haunted your dreams? High-five yourself. Track your wins and reflect on how far you've come. It builds momentum and makes math feel like progress, not punishment. 8. Laugh your way through numbers. Memes, puns, math jokes. They're more powerful than you think. Humor reduces stress and helps your brain remember things better. So go ahead, find a math meme that cracks you up and stick it on your wall. Final thoughts. Math is not a monster. With these tricks up your sleeve, math doesn't have to be your nemesis. It can be your new bestie. Change the way you think about math and you just might change the way you think, period. Okay, amazing learners. Thanks for watching. If you had fun, learned something new, or finally felt a spark of, hey, maybe math isn't so bad, then smash that like button, subscribe to Studying Machine, and drop a comment telling us your favorite trick. See you in the next video, where learning is always an adventure.